In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Word on your computer. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's go! A simple way to get all the software in the suite. To get Microsoft 365 for free, just type Microsoft 365 online into Google. You'll find the official Microsoft link as the first result, which is office.com. Once you click on the link, you'll be able to log in at the top right with a Microsoft address. And then you'll see that on the left sidebar, you'll have all the Microsoft software, namely Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So if I click on Word, you can see that I could instantly create Word documents. And you can do this 100% for free on the website. Since everything is online, everything will be synchronized and saved. So, of course, this is still a limited version of Word. You won't have all the advanced features that you can get on Word with the paid plan. You can see the paid plan. The paid plan from Microsoft, as shown on the screen, will cost you about $10 per month or $7 per month, depending on the subscription plan. So it can be quite expensive for some people. I'm going to share another tip with you to get unlimited access to Word with all its features for much less each month. It's thanks to the Gamsgo platform. It's a subscription sharing platform where multiple people around the world can share premium subscriptions and save on the cost. You can see that Office 365, which includes the Word software, would only cost you $367 per month. I've been using it for a year and it has helped me save a lot of money. I'm satisfied with this platform. Find the link to the Gamsgo platform below the video in the description. All you have to do is click on the link. You will be redirected to Gamsgo. You can log in at the top right in a minute using an email address. Then on the home page, if you scroll down, you can find Office 365. You can click on Join Now. You can choose the subscription duration from 3 months to 6 months, knowing that if you take 6 months, you'll get an additional discount. You can even add a promo code if you want to get an additional discount like this. You click on Proceed to Payment. You can pay by credit card, debit card, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. Once your payment is completed, you will find your login details in your subscription section up here and be able to download Word Unlimited on your device and have all its features for cheap.